Nice to finally meet you, man.
Good to see you.
Man, you know I've been calling you the last couple years.
Is that right?
Yeah. Your phone always goes straight to voicemail. You're a better texter?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Yeah. I did that because business-wise, I was getting 100 phone calls a day that were junk mail, junk calls and spam and all that.
Okay. I understand.
So now, if you don't have caller ID on it, it goes straight to voicemail.
Well, thanks to the Wam Leads system, we was able to get in touch with him, through voicemails, texts, back to back, right? So we got a follow-up system inside Wam Leads that will continue to follow up with the seller if they don't respond. I had been trying to reach him for 2 years manually, calling and texting myself, and he would text back and then not respond after I text back, and it would be this back and forth thing. But the fact that AI and automations actually automatically text, follow up, call back, we was able to reach this seller and able to get him to the closing table. So it's very important to have a system like Wam Leads for your leads so you can actually get to the closing table.
It's a great block system that they came up with. So now I don't have to worry about so many calls.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
All right. So this the house.
Well, I'm waiting on when I got down here Tuesday night, I got a couple of leaks.
Really?
I got a plumber on the way to fix the faucet in the kitchen, and there's a faucet in the bathroom that's dripping.
Okay.
It's not serious, but they can fix it, they said, probably in 5 minutes.
Okay.
I didn't bring any tools with me.
Gotcha. Okay.
And I'd rather have it professionally done. So, but I've cleaned. I haven't done much to the garage yet. That's the last thing I've got to do.
Okay.
But I've got the rest of the house. I've got everything out. There's no clothes in it anywhere. Oh, come on in.
Okay, cool.
My mom and dad built this house in '68.
She did.
And it's one of the few all brick houses in the area.
Yeah.
And that's the good thing. It needs a little paint. I was going to paint it this year if I decided to keep it.
Okay. Yeah, I've been trying to buy this house for a couple of years now.
Well, it's I just got. You probably know what it's worth. What they say the fair market value is $178 now. I just got the new thing from the
Clayton County. Buy it and rent it and keep it. Hold on to it.
So I hope that me giving you like a $40,000 discount that's got enough in there if you want to keep it.
Yeah.
You can spend a little money on it and it'll be a great house for somebody.
Yeah, most definitely.
But I don't need it. My kids don't want it. I've got 2 daughters. My grandkids don't want it. So I said, well, I'm going to go ahead and sell it, and I'll just put it in a college fund for you guys.
Gotcha.
So come on in.
Okay.
We had an issue here about 5 or 6 years ago, and the police finally listened to everybody. We had some people up there that like to break into houses when you were away.
Really?
My house got broken into twice. His house got broken into. They finally arrested them. And the neighbors next door, I've talked to them. They say that everything's great now.
Okay, gotcha.
But I had a storm door on here. They ripped it off.
How long ago was that?
Probably, I don't know, a year ago.
Okay.
And I thought, well, why should I put a brand new one back on there with me being gone and have it take a chance on them coming and doing it again?
Yeah. I hate people like that destroy a beautiful neighborhood.
When a house is not owner occupied, people take advantage of it. I got a $2,000 water bill where people were coming and stealing water.
For real?
So I had them turn the water off.
Dang.
And then they got, I guess, mad about it and they trashed the house completely.
Really?
They went and took pictures out of my mom's bedroom and all the stuff of my mom and dad and me and all my relatives and wedding stuff. It was strewn from one end of the house to the other.
How long ago was this?
I really don't know.
Oh, okay.
It's about the same time that they broke into my neighbor's house over there.
Damn.
But I just bought a new flat screen TV to give my daughter. And a surround sound system. Well, they took all of that. They broke in with crowbars and stuff.
Dang.
So there's some minor stuff that needs to be done. And I like I was telling you, I wouldn't feel totally honest. I'm almost embarrassed to tell you what was wrong with the furnace.
What was wrong with it? There's nothing to be embarrassed about.
It's really embarrassing. I came in, the furnace wasn't working. I went, oh, no, what's going on? There's no heat. So I called Georgia Natural Gas. I go walk into the kitchen, I go, smell propane. It's got gas stove, gas oven, gas hot water, gas washer, dryer.
Right.
I smell gas. So they came out the next morning, put the meter on everything, including the main meter outside, and I go, oh, everything's fine. There's no leak. I go, do you think it might be the thermostat? And I didn't realize. The guy goes over and he goes, click, and a little battery pack comes out. He puts in 2 AA batteries that's been working great.
Oh.
I told him, I said, I'm really embarrassed.
Yeah.
I said, I wish there was. I thought, but I did say, do you think it might be the thermostat?
Right.
He goes, yeah. I mean, you can tell how nice and warm it is in here.
Nice and warm.
The gas heat works great.
Yeah.
So, and I converted this, when my mom and dad bought this house, this was their living room. And when my mom passed, I stayed here for another 2 years, then I got transferred to North Carolina. So I've been traveling North Carolina and the host, well, I retired.
What part of North Carolina? Fayetteville?
I lived in Charlotte.
Oh, in Charlotte?
But I live in Pinehurst now.
Oh, okay.
Or Southern Pines, which is close to Fayetteville.
Yeah, because we actually buy houses out there too. Fayetteville, Wilson, North Carolina. So
Yeah,
I like Carolina too.
If you don't mind, I'm going to close the door here.
Oh, yeah, of course. It's 30 degrees.
And I'm leaving this. I don't know if you can use the furniture or not. This is a really nice hutch and a desk.
You're right.
This is an old antique. I don't know if you've ever seen or remember seeing. Well, you may not be old enough to know what this is.
Oh, yeah.
Back in the day, 8-track tape player, phonograph, and an AM/FM radio.
Yeah, ancient. Classic.
Now, pawn shop may give you some money for it, or somebody may actually want it. It works.
Yeah, most definitely.
Somebody may want to use it. So, but I put this in here with and I had cable, but since I haven't been living here for a while, I haven't had cable. So there's no need for me to pay for something I don't use.
Right.
And when I come into town, I stay with my daughter.
Gotcha.
My older daughter lives in Athens. But let me show you the rest of the house.
Okay.
This is in the back here. Start back here. It's got 2 bedrooms. This was the master bedroom here.
Okay.
And it's a half bath right off this master bedroom.
Okay. Okay, gotcha. And this is the other little guest. And when I had my Canadian buddies come down, we had enough room for me and 3-4 other people to stay comfortably and go play golf and party and cook out and all that. That's good. Yeah. Nice.
And there's nothing in any of the closets except just a few coat hangers.
Okay. All right.
This is the master bath.
Okay.
Obviously, you can see the washer and dryer. And since I don't have the water turned on, I can't flush the toilet. I already cleaned them a couple of times.
No big deal.
Hall closet, linen closet here. This is the other bedroom, and I had a inflatable mattress in here for my buddies to sleep on when they were here. I actually had 2 in here. That's why I say I could sleep 2 people in here, person in there, person in the couch in the den.
Okay.
So.
So this is how many bedrooms? 1, 2, 3?
Yes, three bedroom, bath and a half.
3 bedroom, bath and a half, okay.
Yeah, you count this as a bedroom and of course those 2 in the back.
And this is like 1,200 square feet, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it might be, it may be just a little bit more than that.
Okay.
I really don't know, I can't tell you for sure, but That was about the size house I think they were building back in the late 60s, early 70s. I never lived here until my mom got sick, and I moved down and I stayed with her till she passed.
Okay.
And that was in 99.
99. Okay.
So she passed in 99.
Gotcha. Okay. Kitchen. Okay.
And I was gonna do a lot better job of cleaning, but it's kind of hard to clean with no water.
Yeah, I got you. But no, it's cool, you know, because we're gonna take it and
Right.
you know, rehab it and do whatever, you know, we need to do with it.
I'm sure you've got crews to come and do.
Yeah, my
redo the door jamb. They knocked this one off when they broke in. They broke in back here one time, and I thought, well, I can fix it,
yeah.
but why take a chance?
Yeah, my contractor was supposed to come today, but he couldn't make it.
You know, and I really regret that. I'm glad they finally caught them, and I hope they're miserable in prison right now.
Right.
They made everybody in this neighborhood miserable because they were bullies. They could get away with it.
Wow.
And I converted this, or I made this. This was always the den, because when my mom was sick, and I kept the recliner just in her memory.
Yeah.
Because when she was sick, she would sit in this chair, and she and I would watch. We're big Braves fans.
For real, yeah.
Braves and Falcons.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's hard to be Falcon fan.
I know, man. At least the Braves did go to the championship, during 2021, I think?
Yeah. As a matter of fact,
At the Battery, because we used to
my
have
mom and
office
dad
there.
knew the ticket manager. We went to see, we had season tickets for the Braves and Falcons for quite a few years. I was out there the night that Hank Aaron broke Babe Ruth's record.
Really?
And I kept the ticket stubs and I saved them for my daughters.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's
You don't see many TVs like this anymore either.
Man.
That's a Magnavox. And this was the state of the art at the time. It was one of the few 25-inch TVs that you'd ever see.
Right. Yeah,
And it still works.
for real. Yeah, I seen that Zenith in the front. That brought back memories from the 90s, man.
Oh, yeah.
That Zenith TV.
No question about it. And I took down all my trophies and tossed them.
Okay.
So my mom had a shrine to me because I was a pretty good athlete in high school and college, and won the state championship in baseball twice, and won the state championship in track.
Okay.
I was pretty fast.
So you was fast.
As all the black dudes on the team, I played football at Western Carolina. They used to always say, "You know, you're pretty fast for a white guy." I go, you know, a lot of people might think that was racist, but I take that as a compliment.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you were fast, man. That's good.
I was. I could run. Well,
For a flat.
It doesn't. 100. I ran 9.798,
Okay.
which is pretty fast in 1965, 66.
Yeah. That's fast.
So.
Yeah. All right. Gotcha. So if my contractor wanted to come back, would I just call you, or could you put a lockbox on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, if you want to have them come give you some estimates of what. That's why I hoped I gave you a big enough discount so that you and I both could be happy.
Yeah. Most definitely.
But I want you to know I'm an honest person. That's why I said, man, I gotta make sure the furnace is okay, and I'm gonna fix the plumbing.
Right.
And
Thanks for getting back in touch with me too, because I've been calling for the last couple of years. I think since 2023, it might have been 3 years. But I guess it's all about timing, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Well, when you live 6 hours away, it's hard to.
yeah.
It's hard to manage. I was gonna rent it, and I thought, nah, I don't really want to hassle with.
Yeah, with tenants and all that. Yeah.
Being that far away, you know, and of course, then I've got a guy who does the yard, and he's been doing you can tell the yard looks really good. He trimmed all the hedges, and he does all the yard work for me. And he's the one. They call me outside. They also the time they were doing all the break-ins, they stole all the copper wire. I replaced heat pump twice.
Yep.
I said, I'm not doing it in again. I'm going to keep the heat on,
Yeah.
but there's no air conditioning. I had a portable air conditioning unit in here, and
Yeah.
I gave it to my neighbor across the street.
Okay.
So it needs a heat pump.
Okay. Got you. Okay.
But with your connections, I'm sure you can probably, or you got somebody that you can have a heat pump put in.
Oh yeah, most definitely, most definitely, most definitely. Yeah.
So,
When you think we could get a lockbox on it so he can come back out?
well, the only lock really that you need, and I did this because I figured nobody figured out. The only lock that I changed was this one right here.
Okay.
The rest of these locks, where they've been broken into, like the locksmith told me, he says, yeah, I can put all new deadbolt locks in. He says, somebody wants to break in your house, they're going to break in.
Right.
So you can do, yeah, we'll do whatever you want to do.
Okay. Gotcha. All right. Cause he couldn't make it at 10, so I think he wants to come back out tomorrow.
When does he want to come? I mean, I can come back down. I can come back. I would prefer to be able to come back down and give it another walkthrough.
Oh yeah. If you can come back down, that's good.
And have
then.
it clean.
Yeah.
Or I'll either clean it myself and scrub it from top to bottom, or I'll have a professional cleaning service come over.
I mean, it actually looks pretty clean already. I know what you mean, but you know, it's fine how it is. You know, I just want him to come through and see, you know, the estimates. You know, how much we plan on actually spending. You know what I mean, as far as on you know, rehabbing and the updates. But other than that, you know,
well, once your guy comes over and gives you the estimates, if you still want to buy it, then
well, I want to buy it. I already got the.
I still want to sell it to you.
Yeah. Because I already got the attorney. They start running the title, John Moore or you know, Rand.
You know, I have a small mortgage on it. I took the mortgage out on it when my mom got sick. I didn't work for 2 years taking care of her. And then after she passed, the house, we had paid the house off. I paid it off. And I was running a little short of funds, and my daughter was getting ready to start to college. So I thought, yeah, I'm going to take out a home equity loan. So right now, and I've paid it down. I think the payoff on it is like $35,000.
Oh, okay, that's not
It's
bad.
not much.
Yeah, okay, that's good.
Well, it's not much to a lot of people. It may be crippling for somebody, but I don't think $35,000 is very much.
So y'all stay
Not
tuned
stay
for
at that.
part 2. And if you're interested into the Wam Leads system, book a call below, and let's get you signed up so you can get deals like me back to back on autopilot without having you to work so damn hard. Right? Like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, book a call, join the school community. Let's get it. Bando.